Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you will be learning how to create Glass Morphism in Pixellab. There are a lot of things you can do with Glass Morphism. So in this video tutorial, I'll be using Glass Morphism to create an outstanding social media post like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Now you open your Pixellab app, click on the three dots at the top there, click on image size. Now you can choose any image size you want, but for this video I'm using YouTube thumbnail. Then after I've done that, we click on the shape tool, then click on import to bring in our image. Now we bring in our image. So this is the image we'll be using. Expand that and place it very well. Now the next thing is to click on layer tool, then lock it by clicking on the padlock icon there. Then you click on the shape tool again, then click on import to bring in the second image. This is the image we bring in. Now you click on layer to lock it as well. Now let us reduce the opacity. For us to do that, you click on the first one and yeah, this is what we bring in just now. Then click on opacity, then you bring it down, reduce it to 50%. You see. So now let's create the Glass Morphism. Click on shapes. When I click on shapes, radius is 20%. So increase that to 20%. Then scroll down, fit color. Then click on gradients. Click on the plus icon there. So let us change the first color and the second color. So for us to change the first color rather, this is the first color. So for us to change this first color, you click on the color field. Then you click on the second one, you click on color field. Now we have the first color, the second color, and the third color. So this time around, you just move the second one, that one, you move it to the right, as you can see. So now you now scroll the last one, that the third one, almost to the left, so leave it like that. Then click on OK. Then the second, click on the second color, that's the second color. Then click on the color field, then do the same thing to the right, then that one's almost to the left. Then click on OK. Then scroll down, stroke width 1, then color field again, click on gradients, click on plus, then the first one, click on color field again, click on color field, this one too, the middle to the right, just leave it like that, don't do anything. Then the second one, to click on the second one, then do the same thing, this one to the right, that is the middle to the right, then the last one almost to the left, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now after that, the next thing we are going to do is to give it shadow. So you scroll to shadow, let's scroll. So this is shadow, and click on shadow, enable, then click on enable, as you can see, blur radius to 0, then click on the plus there. Now when you click on plus, the last one, as you can see, that last one, just shift it a little bit, just move it, then click on OK, mark it. So that's it, we have created a Glass Morphism using Pixellab. So we expand it to create the required shape we want. So for us to do that, go to relative size, just give it the size, width, and the height we want. Now let us centralize the Glass Morphism. So for us to do that, we have to click on relative position, then click on centralize, that's it, the one in the middle. After that, click on layers, then click on the padlock icon to lock it. Now it's locked. Now let's move to the other one, click on shapes. Now for us to get our circle, this one is square, you click on the arrow facing down, this arrow, as you can see, click on it, then click on circle, that's it. Now let's reduce it. As you can see, we are getting there. The next thing to do now is to bring in our social media logo. So you click on import. When you click on import, you bring in the social media logo. So we are using Instagram logo for this video tutorial. Now let us type in our first text. Click on the A icon, as you can see there, and click on the A icon, then click on plus icon, then click on the pencil icon, and type your text there. So for this video tutorial, we type in follow us on, yes, that's it. Now you edit that. So for the text, reduce the size, click on text size, reduce it to 28. Then color is on white already. Then the font, and click on font, give it font ABC regular, that's it. Now let's bring in the Instagram font. Click on shapes, then click on import to bring in the Instagram font. As you can see, that's it. Then mark it. So let us reduce it to big. Reduce relative size. Click on relative size. Let us reduce it. Next thing, now click on color icon there, enabled, then click on gradients. So we click on the first one. As you can look at the color, wow, good. So if you don't know how I get this, I will show you now. You click on the plus icon there. So let me click on it. You see, so how did I get this? You click on the first one there, that is the color fill, and click on the color fill. Now click on the pencil icon there, that's the pencil icon, and click on the pencil icon. See 205, 24, then 255. Now the next thing, for the middle, click on color fill, then the pencil icon, that is 231, 50, then 145, then okay. Then the last one, click on color fill, and let me show you that is 253, 152, then 18. So that's it. Those are the three colors, as you can see there, that's it. So that's how I get the color for that. So now if you don't know how I get that third one, you see the plus there, that plus icon. When you click on the plus, you see another one there. Let me click on it first. Let me see. As you can see, you see another one. So when I click on the minus, it deleted. So now we have the color mover. You can move it anyhow you want. As you can see, that first one and the second one, you can move it anyhow you want it. So that's it, the first one and the second one. So click on OK. That's how I get that. So let's give the font shadow. Scroll, click on shadow, then click on enabled. So that's it, that's the shadow to make it visible. So now let us type in the social media message. For example, we are working for a client and you have to do this design like this. You need to type in the message, click on the A icon, then click on plus icon, then the pencil icon. So I've copied that already, just paste it. Now we have to reduce the text size. Click on text size, then reduce that. Now put it in the middle, ready to position and put it in the middle. Now the next thing is to align it very well. Click on align, then click on the middle align center. That's it, the middle align center, as you can see. Wow, almost there. Now let us draw a button like shape. Click on shape 2, like the one in the middle. Click on shapes. When you click on that, then the radius, give it radius. Now let's give it color. Click on color, then enabled. Click on gradient. So it's the same gradient we gave the other one. Just click on it. As you can see, that's it there. So just give it the same gradient. Now let us type in our social media name. Click on the A icon there, that is for alphabet. Then click on plus, then the pencil icon. So for this video tutorial, I'll be using my own social media, that is on Instagram. You can follow me at ayomidegraphix. So for you to get updates on graphic design tutorials for free, so just type ayomidegraphix on Instagram, then follow me on Instagram. So that's my Instagram handle at ayomidegraphix. So text size is 30. Let's go with 18. I think 20 will be good. So then the fonts, I'm using Blogger Sans Bold. Love that. You also make sure it's centralized. So now we are done, everything's intact. The next thing to do now is to save it. So click on the icon there that look like a diskette, click on it, then save as image, then click on the arrow facing down, then click on Ultra, then save to gallery. Wow, this is how to create a glass morphism in Pixellab. So good and so professional. That's how to create a glass morphism in Pixellab. If you are still watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now. Click on it again, click on all for you to get notifications when I drop any video tutorials. One more important thing to do is to also kindly click the like button on your screen right now, and also kindly drop a comment on what you think about this video tutorial. Also do well to share this video tutorial across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.